Hello and welcome. My name's Campbell. This is Spiral Up. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And today I actually wanted to talk just about a word and what it means and what it means for our lives. And the word is predicated. So let's have a talk about predicated. Okay, so predicated, to predicate. I'm not going to read this out, but have a read of this. This is I found quite interesting, the example they've used. But basically, predicated. When we predicate arguments or decisions, our lives, when we make them predicated on other things, what we're doing is basing them on another, what we believe is a truth, right? So it says here, if an idea or argument is predicated on something, it depends on the existence or truth of this thing. So to predicate an argument saying, the best way forward is to vote this man in to be the ruler, that's based on the assumption that we need rulers, that we need government. Okay, so this is one of the things about this is all about being free and the choices we make and moving towards our own story, right? Being more free and less edited by the outside authority is if we predicate our decisions in moving forward off other ideas that we believe are true facts, which in most, in most cases they're just opinions. But if we do that, then what we're doing is creating a circle. We're living our lives through someone else's opinion. We're letting other people be the authors of our story, basically. So I just wanted to sort of talk about, the word predicate. It's good to know words are spells. But this whole idea that moving forward, so many people trying to move forward are basing it on the past. Now, you can't move forward with doing the same thing you did in the past. You can learn from the past, definitely, and whether that be good or bad, there's definitely no mistakes. There's only mistakes. So you can definitely learn from, where you've had a misstep and you've mistaken something, and you can move forward with better knowledge, with a higher view because you've gone through that experience. Same with good. If things work for you, then definitely try them again. Use that to prepare yourself forward as well. But it's this whole idea of believing things are true. You must get a job, you must conform to the system, right? You must get a loan, you must, a lot of families, you must be a lawyer or a musician or a certain kind of, vocation. And all these you must do this, you must look this way, you must talk this way. Now, these are all things that, we can learn from. I'm not saying that this is bad. There's definitely better ways to talk and communicate and interact with people. But unless it's your conclusion, then it's wrong for you. It's that simple. These external belief systems and stories that are given to us, and with relationships, a lot of people think they need to be a certain way, look a certain way, have a certain job, certain possessions. This is all outside stuff. Okay, so if you're focusing on the outside world, which again is the authority, right? Other people's opinions coming in. If you're believing them and you're living your life predicated on those beliefs, so again, to you, that means you've seen all these fit guys or girls in social media, and they all seem to have all these people, all these great relationships or people after them or whatever. That's what I need to be attractive to the other sex or whatever you're into. That's predicated off other people's beliefs. That belief of yours only stands up if what everyone else believe, well, if what that group of people you're getting your information was, from believe is true, right? So that's not your belief because that can fall over if everyone changes their mind, that you're getting your beliefs from, for starters. But also, it's coming from without. If you want to, as an example, attract, your ultimate mate, that it's going within. If you decide, well, I need to be a fitter, stronger person, well, get fitter and stronger. If that's not something you need to focus on, well, focus on what you believe you need to focus on. But again, make sure it's not predicated on the outside world. Make sure it's from inside. Make sure it's the inside coming out, because ultimately that's what we're here to do. I believe, is to share our experiences, and through that, people can grow and learn and ultimately have better experiences of their own. And this is it. It's just, we're here to bring our inside out, basically, to show the world what's inside of us, as far as ideas, belief system, actions, right? All these things. And so if you're living, and then what happens, we put it out and then we get feedback, right, from our experiences, and we get to make a decision. It goes back in. We can make a decision on if we want to take that on board, or what we can learn from it, or whatever it is. But then we can put that out again. We can get our own, I don't want to say, opinion or judgment or anything, but, we can get our own perspective on things and then put that out again. But people don't have to accept it. This is another big thing is, you can put out stuff, but no, you can't make people accept or like or whatever, what you're putting out. And 100% of the time, you're going to get people that don't like it. That's just the way the world is. You will get that kind of feedback. So put out, what's inside you, work on your story and giving to the world, then get the feedback. And again, that builds your perspective. But don't believe that people have to listen to you, because, we don't have to listen to anyone, right? This is freedom. So, a bit of an odd sort of topic there, but predicated. What are your belief systems predicated on? And is that going with you to build a better life for you, better experiences, or is it maybe inhibiting you a bit? Of course, always go inside for the answer. So thank you for spending some time with me. Please give me a like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Share this around. And of course, stay awesome. And I'll talk to you all on the next upload. Bye for now.